Okay, we're talking about radicals, not my radical dance moves or Colin Berg's radical goalie saves or Emerson's radical ice skating moves, whatever they are. We're talking about radicals and deals with math. Okay, so the last couple of days we've been talking about square roots. That's kind of like a radical. So radicals can be simplified. Slash reduced, slash factored. So we'll be talking about that today. So imagine if we had 12. 12 has factors of 3 and 4, but 4 can be broken down into 2 and 2. So we're kind of focusing on somewhat of that learning which you guys did in maybe 3rd or 4th grade. Okay, so some square roots are perfect squares, and we talked about that already. So we have perfect squares 4, 9, 16. Kiersey, what's next after 16? What's your guess?
12.
12 is not correct. It's 25. Kiersey, what's next after 25, you think?
35.
Ooh, close. 36.
Oh.
What's next?
46?
No, 49. I mean, come on. You're a daughter of a math teacher. Get one of these right.
54?
Not 54.
What?
64.
Hey, that's close.
What about our next one? I'll give you a hint. It's in the 80s.
Okay, in the 80s. 85?
81.
4 off.
Yeah, I know. 4 off. And another one. It's the first 3-digit number.
100.
100. Good job. You got one right. Good job, sister.
The hardest one.
So these are all perfect squares. So some square roots will not be perfect squares. We're going to talk about that today. So we'll talk about 12 right away. 12 is not a perfect square. It's closer to square root of 9 than square root of 16 because 12 is closer to 9 than 16. But this can be factored or can be simplified or can be kind of reduced. So first I look over here and I see, do any perfect squares are factors of 12? Kiersey, which one of these is a factor of 12? What do you think?
9.
What?
9.
Close. It's actually 4. So if we go square root 4 times square root 3, that will be root 12. And we know 4 is a perfect square, so that would be 2 root 3 would be your answer. This is not acceptable. So we'll do another one. We'll say root 28. Kiersey, what perfect square goes into 28? What do you think?
36?
Not 36. You're off by a lot, but it's okay. It's actually 4 and 7. So this
47?
would be, no, 4 and 7, not 47. Come on. So 2
Well, 4 and 7.
root 7. If we have a bigger number, let's say root 75. Kiersey, which one of these numbers goes in evenly to 75? You haven't done division yet, but what if you were to predict? It's in the top half.
Wait, send me that.
Yeah, which one of those numbers?
I'm going to say 25 and...
25, you were right. Good guessing. So 25 and 3. So this would be simplified to 5 root 3. Okay, let's do 24. We're going to do 24 twice. Some kids would say, hey, root 8, root 3. But it's going to be a longer way because then root 8 can be simplified into root 4, root 2. Root 4 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6, so this is 2 root 6. And you can be more efficient we use that word a lot this year. If you found the biggest or the largest perfect square that goes in evenly, which would be, let's say, 4, and you are done with less work. So today we talked about simplifying, factoring radicals that are not perfect squares. Have a fabulous day.